Okay, so we're looking at direct data entry. There are a number of methods of direct data entry. Complete the sentences from the list below. Now, direct data entry is when you're using an input device to put data directly into the computer from another source. Okay, so it says a method of inputting bank codes from the bottom of a check is called. So if you've done the 2016 paper, this should be easy for you. So as you remember, we discussed that checks have ink at the bottom that have the check number, okay, because checks come in a book. There may be 50 checks, so the number might be 00012, which means the 12th check in the book. Then it has the sort code of the person's bank account and their bank account number. Now, none of this is on a barcode, because obviously barcodes can get damaged and sometimes they're not read. So it's in ink at the bottom. But to stop the check from being fraud, okay, they put magnetic particles into the ink that is read by a machine. Okay, so you may be looking for this, which stands for magnetic ink character reader. Okay, now the device for putting details from a label on a product is called. Okay, now you may need to do a process of elimination for this. Okay, so what you'll be looking for is, you're thinking, okay, is it a barcode reader? It's not a magnetic ink character reader. Mouse, pin pad, keyboard chip reader, and so on. Okay, so now what you're probably looking for here is probably the barcode reader. Okay, now what they've basically done is not what they've done, it's the way they've worded the question. The device for inputting details from a label onto a product. Okay, so which is really, really irritating, because, well, you know, I wouldn't consider a barcode, you know, a label. Okay, but the way you need to look at it is that when something is packaged up, it's packaged up in a label, so they would have a barcode on it. Now, the device for using inputting directly, putting data directly from a bank card is called. Now, remember, these days all bank cards have a chip, okay, and that chip can be inserted into a reader, which will read the card, then you put the details in, or the chip can actually be scanned over RFID radio waves, and basically the details are taken from that, they're read from that. Okay, hope that helps.